Well, I'm going to start out this video with something completely random, not Jeep related, not Maverick related, but football related. My boys and I went to see the University of Tennessee Vols, go Vols, in Knoxville. We took the Maverick up there. That was fun. The three of them and myself had a great time. UT won, but let's take a look at the adventure of taking it up there before we get to the Jeep stuff. It's a UT Florida game. It's like 6:45 in the morning. It is freaking early. Is it early? It's early. All right. Where'd he go? Woo! Go Vols! Go Vols, baby. In the Maverick. All right, we're ready to drive. I'm going to set, let's see, trip 1. Okay to reset. All right, so I'm going to see how well the Maverick does on the road trip. We're all reset. We're 4 seconds in. Here we go. All right, we're headed to Knoxville to the game. We had to make a pit stop at the Walmart. Zachary needed a belt. I had to go to the bathroom because it's early and I'm old. And we have our, our routines and everything. But have you ever noticed that at like all your convenience stores and like Home Depot, they put the worst toilet paper in the bathrooms? It's like, what do you think, Ethan? 30 grit, 40 grit?
I have no idea. It
is rough. It is rough. I mean, if they want people to quit going to prison, they need to use this toilet paper in prison, and people will just avoid it. This is when the adaptive cruise is nice. When you're in traffic on the interstate, it'll slow down and speed up, and that's nice. We're about 55 minutes from Buc-ees. Uh-oh. Getting close to Buc-ees. We have gotten 33.7 miles per gallon. We've gone 140 miles, which is really pretty amazing. And we're about to get off to go to Buc-ees.
Yeah, but yeah, because everybody, and then everyone just like, oh. Yeah,
holy crap.
Buc-ees.
This place is huge. This place is pretty dang big. Jeez Louise, these gas pumps go on forever. This place is crazy big. Made it down here. Woo! This is some crazy stuff right here, man. Million people out here, but we won. So now the long trek back to Franklin. Man, I'm telling you, that was fun. We had a great time. We got home. I was just worn the heck out. And you know what? UT did pull that one out, but at the end it was a little bit of a nail biter. So anyway, that was fun going up there, and the Maverick performed flawlessly. All right, so now we're going to get back to the Jeep. We're going to take a look at where we're at. Got a windshield in it. Was a little bit disappointed in a couple things, but we are getting down towards the finish line. Let's go. Well, she's got a windshield, so I'm happy about that. I am not happy about the job I did. I don't think I did a great job with it. I'm gonna have to go back in and do a little touch-up action. I rushed it. Should have done a little more prep on it, but as far as like it being functional, it works great, looks nice. awesome. Today I am doing some graphics. I want to go ahead and polish the hood just a little bit more before I put graphics on it. So that's the plan. Alright, I got it wet sanded as much as I'm going to. That should have flattened it out a little bit. I can tell you this, that it is 100% cured out being dry this long. I'm just going to buff it and put a fork in it. Oh, beautiful. I got to get the rest of the wheels on it. Those look nice. Can I live with that? Absolutely. That looks gorgeous. It buffed out nice. Now we got to do a little graphic work. There we go. Oh yeah, that looks just like the Oscar Mike, doesn't it? Love it. Got all the wiring done to the junction box. Looks nice and neat. Now I'm gonna put the top on it, seal her up. Oh man, everything looks so great. And then I've got this beast. The steering wheel, ugh. I'm gonna go ahead and pop it off so I can get all the other pieces put on around the column. All right, I got the other two fender flares on, and I have to admit, this is one really nice looking Jeep. I'm waiting for the new lug nuts to come in. What else am I waiting on? Not much. And the steering wheel looks like a jank fest over here, so we're gonna look at that. And I gotta put the top on it. But let me tell you, this Jeep actually is really beautiful. I do like the, I've got the Oscar Mike emblem to stick on it, but I like that black stripe on the side. It's looking really nice, I have to admit it. Hop in. Well, that was fun. She kept saying, I'm cold, I'm cold, I'm cold. So I had to roll the windows up. But anyway, it did great. Got a few mechanical things I need to fix, but put a top on it, a couple other emblems and stickers and garbage, and some new lug nuts, and this thing is done. I am happy. Got windshield wipers put on. The first thing I'm going to tackle, though, of any substantial difficulty is a new top. I bought a Smitty built top. Let's open it up, take a look at what we got, and get the hardware ready to slap a top on this baby. Alright, this is the top by Smitty build. It's not the cheapest, and it certainly isn't the most expensive. I'm going to go ahead and open it up, and we'll take a look at what comes in the box. And there it is. There's the instructions. I'm going to go ahead and open it up and take a look at those. Awesome. Here's the old top. I know we're going to reuse the bow and everything, so I'll go ahead and read some instructions and see where we're at. Okay, the next step to putting the top on is to put it backwards on the hood, and then you take off this part of the plastic, which leaves this channel here. So you're going to put this in the channel in the very front there, and then you're going to put this back on, tighten it down, and the tape's just going to hold it while it's getting tight. Brilliant. Okay, so now that the bead is in that channel and this is tightened back down, I put all the screws in it. Now we can go ahead and start unhook this from the header and then pull it back and then start flipping backwards. The front looks great. The sides, man, let me tell you, it is tight. It flips around here to secure it, and let me tell you, it is super tight. So let me continue reading the instructions, but so far so good. I've been fighting it, that's for sure. Alright, I got the back windows in. These are having a hard time rolling over as well as these, so once it loosens up just a little bit, you'll have a little bit easier time of flipping it. But it's stretching right now as we speak. Now I just got to do the back door. Alright, the top is on. Looks outstanding. Broke one zipper because the stupid thing was so tight going across here, even though I had loosened up everything. So I'll be contacting them, see if they can send me another little lanyard or something, who knows. But once it stretches out, then I'll readjust everything, but it looks pretty good. Now I've got a mechanical issue that I got to deal with. One of the calipers was sticking badly, so I went ahead and got 2 calipers and new brake shoes for it. New ceramic brake shoes. So I thought I would go ahead and throw those on real quick, because mechanically it's got to be fixed. Alright, I got this new booger on. Those caliper covers were like completely worthless. I don't even know what they fit. But anyway, I've got my Motive Products power bleeder ready. I've got my caliper on, so I'm going to put some fluid in it, pump it up with the special adapter that I've got right here. And I'm going to bleed this sucker, and then we'll be doing the other side. Well, I'd say she's pretty much done. I got the top on, and it needs a good day out in the sun, stretching out a little bit. But I got the new gasket going across here. No air leaks. Still have to glue that down. Got my Oscar Mike emblems on, like I said. Got the license plate on it. And don't you think it's hilarious when people try to black out or wipe out or blur their license plate? What are you going to do with my license plate? There it is. Write it down if you need to. I'm not sure what you would do with it. But it looks absolutely spectacular. There's only one more thing tonight that I want to accomplish. And if you look at the interior, which looks really nice, by the way, all the vinyl paint from Color Bond turned out really nice. So that's beautiful. But the steering wheel is an eyesore. Absolutely gross. This one came from a wrecked car, and I've just been using it as a temporary, so I saved the best for last. Alright, so that's going to be it for the video for today. The steering wheel, the next video coming up, make sure you watch that, because it's pretty amazing of what I was able to find and not deal with some foreign people from Yugoslavia or wherever they're from, and they probably got a hit out on me now. Appreciate you watching. Any questions, comments, post them below. Go Vols. Let's see, what else? Yeah, the Jeep is almost done. I got a few more things to do on it, but I'm very proud of the way it's coming out. Graphics spot on as far as like the Oscar Mike. And I really do appreciate you watching. Tune in next time to see if we can get this thing steering with the correct wheel. I'm David from the Redneck Garage. Keep turning wrenches.